Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about major crops of India. That is, what are all the crops we are going to cultivate in India majorly. Okay. Now, major crops grown in India. Okay. Rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton, jute are the major crops grown in India. These are all the major crops grown in India. Some of the horticulture crops also grown in India. Okay. These crops are cultivated mainly in 3 seasons. Okay. Those 3 seasons are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Okay. Now I am going to tell you the seasons when we have to sow and harvest the crop and what are the crops we are going to cultivate in those particular seasons. Okay. First season is Rabi. Rabi season, the time period we have to grow the crops sown in October to December. Okay. Sowing period is October to December and harvested in April to June. Okay. If the crop sown in October means we can harvest that crop in April, or if the crop will sow in December means we can harvest that crop in June. Okay. The major crops we are going to cultivate in Rabi season are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Okay. These are all the major crops we are going to cultivate in Rabi season. Okay. Kharif and Zaid. Okay. I am going to explain about the Kharif season. The Kharif season crops generally sow in the June to July. Okay. And harvested in September to October. If we sow the crop in June means we can harvest that crop in September. In July means we can harvest the crop in October. This is the time period of Kharif season. Generally we have to sow the crop. The main crops that are going to cultivate in Kharif season are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. These are all the main crops that are actually we are going to sow in Kharif season. Okay. Then the another season is Zaid. Occurs between Rabi and Kharif seasons. Okay. Zaid is a season that occurs between Rabi and Kharif. Okay. That is generally in March to June. Okay. Yeah. Sown in March. The crops sow in March and the harvestation done at June. Okay. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. These are all the crops we are actually going to cultivate in Zaid season generally. Okay. This is a quick glance about the seasons of India. We are going to cultivate the major crops of India. Okay. Let us see very important content, that is very basic content of the major crops of India. Okay. Now rice. Rice is a staple food crop of most people in India. As already we know that rice is a staple food for all of us, right? So here's the first point is rice is a staple food crop of most people in India. Okay. West Bengal is the top rice producing state. Okay. In India, West Bengal is the top rice producing state. Okay. India is the second largest rice producer in the world after China. Largest producer of rice is China. Second largest rice producer is India. Okay. Yeah, that is the point here. India is the second largest rice producer in the world after China. Rice is a Kharif crop. Yeah, I have previously discussed this one. Rice is definitely a Kharif crop and requires greater than 25 degrees Celsius temperature, high humidity. Okay. Rice crop requires greater than 25 degrees Celsius of temperature with high humidity. The annual rainfall is 150 to 300 centimeter for rice crop. Unpolished rice has high nutritional value, being rich in vitamins A, B and calcium. We are consuming the polished rice, isn't it? But unpolished rice has high nutritional value, rich in vitamins A, B and calcium. This unpolished rice is rich in vitamins A, B and calcium. Okay. Deep clay or loamy soils are suitable for rice cultivation. Deep clay and loamy soils are most suitable for rice cultivation to hold the water. Okay. rice, as already we know that rice requires more amount of water. We have to cultivate rice in the stagnant water, isn't it? So we have to consider the soil, deep clay and loamy soil for cultivation of rice. Okay. Next crop we are going to discuss is wheat. Wheat is the second most important staple food for the Indian population. After rice, we are considering wheat as the second most important staple for food for Indian population. Okay. Yeah. Uttar Pradesh is the topmost wheat producing state in India. Which country is topmost wheat producing state in India means Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Wheat preferred as staple food in northern areas. Okay. In northern areas, wheat is the staple food. Okay. Wheat is a temperate crop but requires cool climate with moderate rainfall. Wheat is a temperate crop, requires cool climate with moderate rainfall. Yes, rainfall is 75 to 100 centimeters for wheat crop. Wheat can be grown in tropics also. Yes, as the previous point is wheat is a temperate crop. We have to grow the wheat in cool climate, and also wheat can be cultivated in tropics, but yields are generally low. Okay, what is the point is, but yields are generally low when we cultivate the wheat crop in tropics. The yield is more in temperate regions when compared to the tropics. Okay, wheat is a rabi crop and it is a rabi crop. The another crop is maize. Okay, globally recognized as queen of cereals. Okay, yes, as already we know that maize is the queen of cereals due to its high genetic yield potential among cereals. Why it's a queen of cereals means due to its high genetic yield potential among cereals. Okay, so we are considering the maize as queen of cereals due to its high genetic yield potential among cereals. Karnataka is the topmost producing state in India. Karnataka is the topmost maize producing state in India. Third most important food crop in after rice and wheat. Okay, this is the point here. And India is the 7th largest producer of maize worldwide. India is the 7th largest producer of maize worldwide. Okay, worldwide. Yeah, India ranks 7th largest producer of maize. When compared worldwide, India is the 7th largest producer of maize. Okay, used as both food and fodder and also used as various industrial raw materials. Okay, maize can be used as both food and fodder also, and also used as various industrial raw materials. Another important crop is cotton. India is the only country in the world that cultivates all 4 species of cotton. India is the only country that cultivates all 4 species in cotton. Okay, Maharashtra is the leading cotton producing state in India. What is the leading cotton producing state in India means Maharashtra. Okay, the previous point is India is the only country that is producing all the 4 species of cotton, isn't it? Those 4 species are Gossypium arboreum, generally it's called as a traditional or desi cotton, Gossypium herbaceum, it's called Asian cotton, and Gossypium barbadense, it's Egyptian cotton, and Gossypium hirsutum, it's American plant cotton. These are the 4 species growing in India. Okay, here I am explaining very basic points related to major crops of India. In further classes, I am going to explain these crops very detailed. I have already explained the crops in detail in previous classes. If you want to see those videos, please go and visit my channel. Okay, now I am going to explain is jute crop. Okay, jute is India's second most important fiber crops after cotton. Yes, just India's second most important fiber crops after cotton. West Bengal is topmost jute producing state in India. Okay, which is the topmost jute producing state in India is West Bengal. It is used for manufacturing gunny bags, ropes, etc. Yes, jute is actually used for manufacturing gunny bags, ropes, etc. Isn't it? There is great demand for jute due to its low price, softness and strength. Okay. Yeah, great demand for jute due to its low price, softness and strength. Jute takes 8 to 10 months to mature. It takes, long duration, that is 8 to 10 months to mature. Jute is generally sown in February and harvest in October. Okay, generally sown in February and harvest in October. Okay, this is about, very basic part of the jute. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a commercial crop. As already we know that sugarcane is a commercial crop. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India, and sugarcane also largest producing among commercial crops in India. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane. Okay, and also the sugarcane is the largest commercial crop producing in India. Sugarcane crop is indigenous to India. Indigenous to India means it's native of India. Yes, generally it's the native of India, and it is grown very successfully in India. That's why it's called indigenous to India. Yes, sugarcane is indigenous to India. Okay, sugarcane juice is used to make jaggery. Yes, we already know that sugarcane juice is used to make jaggery. Molasses is the byproduct of sugarcane. Yes, molasses is the byproduct of sugarcane, and it is used as a key raw material for manufacturing alcohol and efficient substitute for petroleum products. Molasses is the byproduct of sugarcane, and it is actually used as a raw material for manufacturing alcohol and efficient substitute for petroleum products. Okay, this is about sugarcane. Another important crop is tobacco. Tobacco is one of the most economically significant agricultural crop. Economically significant agricultural crop is tobacco. Okay, it's a short duration crop and drought tolerant. India producing 750 million kg of tobacco leaf. Okay. Again, India is the second largest producer and exporter of tobacco. India is the second largest producer and exporter of tobacco. Okay. Yes, Gujarat is the tobacco top producing state in India. Which is the top tobacco producing state in India is Gujarat. Okay, this is about tobacco. Millets. It's small grained and short duration crops. Millets are the, actually we know that it's small grained and short duration crops are the millets. Okay, Rajasthan is the top millet producing states in India. Okay, Rajasthan is the topmost millet producing state and highly drought tolerant. You can cultivate millets in drought areas. Highly drought tolerant, cultivated in less fertile areas also. Not only the less amount of water, and we can grow the millets in less fertile areas also. Requires minimum inputs. Inputs means, requires minimum fertilizers and minimum pesticides. When compared to the other crops for millets, it will be some lesser amount. Okay. And also millets have many health benefits due to their high fiber content. Due to their high fiber content, millets have many health benefits. Okay, these are also known as coarse grains. Okay, and which have high nutritional values. Yes, so many benefits millets have. That is, we can cultivate millets in less amount of water. Where the rainfall is less, we can cultivate the millets there, and we have many health benefits. Okay, due to their high fiber content. These are also having high nutritional values, and these millets requires minimum inputs. So many benefits with millets. Okay, pulses. Pulses are an important source of protein. Yes, definitely. Pulses are the protein rich leguminous crops, isn't it? Pulses has the capacity to fix atmospheric nitrogen except arhar. Okay, except arhar, all the pulses have the capacity to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, helps in restoring soil fertility due to nitrogen fixing capacity. These pulses helps in restoring soil fertility due to nitrogen fixing capacity. Okay, they'll fix atmospheric nitrogen, isn't it? With that atmospheric nitrogen, the pulses helps in restoring soil fertility. Okay, India is the largest producer and consumer of pulse crops. Okay, which is the country that is the largest producer and consumer of pulse crops is India. Okay, sandy loamy soils are suitable for pulse crop cultivation. Madhya Pradesh is the topmost pulse producing state in India. Okay, which state is topmost pulse producing state in India means Madhya Pradesh. Okay, I have already discussed some of the topics related to rice, wheat, maize and some more important crops in the previous lessons. Please go and visit my channel for those videos. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.